Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love from Lizi December 2023 kit has arrived and it's just beautiful. The kit is called Making Memories. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches. There's a purple, alcohol marker friendly white, green, aqua, and also blue. For pattern paper, there are 6 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and these are all double-sided. On a couple of the sheets, there are some cut-apart images and sentiments. If you don't care for the cut-aparts, you can always flip over the paper and use the other side. 2 of the papers have beautiful floral designs in the corners. You can cut those down and add just part of it to a card, or if you scrapbook, this would be a gorgeous paper to use. The back side has a fun polka dot design. Here's the other sheet that has the beautiful floral designs in the corners, and in the lower right hand corner there's also an airplane with the flowers, which is really fun. The back side of that paper has a really fun cloud design. This next sheet is filled with lots of fun icons, and you can fussy cut those out and use them like ephemera. If you don't like to fussy cut, you can always flip it over and use this polka dot design on the back side. Here's a beautiful pattern with floral borders. On the back side, it's yellow and white stripes. And this last paper is my favorite. Lots of fun circles with flowers around them. And in the very background of the paper, there's a distress print on it. On the back side, we have lots of lovely floral images. There are 2 sheets of stickers, all beautiful floral images. Some of them are wreath, some of them you could put in the corner, and then there's just some bouquet floral images. The stickers all have a white border around the images, so it gives them the look of ephemera. There are 2 half sheets of specialty cardstock. The first one is gold mirror and it's embossed, has sort of a linen texture look to it. The next one is black glitter, and it's nice since the glitter does not shed. This sheet is also self-adhesive. Just peel away that backing, and this works great for die cuts. There's also a sheet of sentiment stickers, really fun variety of sentiments, and many of them would work nice in planners and also scrapbooks. But there are several sentiments that would be perfect for cards. Here's a look at the stamp set. There's a large sentiment thank. You can also add the S for thanks. We also have love. There's lots of small sentiments, so you can mix and match them with the larger sentiments, and then several little foliage and sprig images. I really like the size of the large sentiments. The next item is a sheet of black glitter flower stickers. I'll pull these out of the package. This glitter is also no shed, and the flowers look like they have the black outline and sort of a white inside, but once you peel them up, you'll get just that black outline. Of course, you could always inlay those white pieces back inside if you prefer that look. I think these will look really pretty on some tone-on-tone pattern paper. The next item is an embossing folder. It has this beautiful design. You could emboss some specialty cardstock, add a sentiment, and your card is finished. We have a new color of peel-offs this month. It's the pinstripe style in purple mirror with gold overlay, so it's super shiny. There are 2 card fronts. There's a beautiful floral frame all around the outside. The inside you could add a sentiment or another image. And they are both double-sided, has the green and white polka dot design on the opposite side. There are also 2 placemats. You can see the crease line in the center. So you could use these as placemats, or you could cut them in half and add just part of them as an element on your card. There are 15 banners. They have beautiful designs on them, and these are also double-sided. So if you don't like the design on one side, you can flip it over and use the pattern on the back side. 10 of the banners have beautiful floral designs. The other 5 have either airplanes or parachutes holding a present or a little floral bouquet. On the back side of the floral banners, there's a polka dot design. On the back side of the other 5, it's a beautiful floral pattern. The next item is a set of gold gem hearts. You'll receive a total of 3. And the gems are all hooked on some adhesive, so you simply peel up the sticker and you have the fun heart shape. There's also a strip of beautiful gold roses. The roses are all hooked together on an adhesive strip. If you don't want to keep them together, you can always simply snip them apart. Lizi's had similar roses in her kits before, and they're just beautiful. The next item is a set of 5 rose buttons in a beautiful soft cream color. Lizi's included some of the skinny ribbon this month. There are 5 different colors. You'll receive 1 meter each. And the colors match beautifully with the pattern paper. There's a dark purple, a light purple, blue, green, and also white. The final items that are included in the kit are the dies. There's 2 this month. We have 1 sentiment with love and also a beautiful scallop heart. And both of these would look lovely cut out of the specialty cardstock. So that's everything that's included in the December 2023 card kit. I did receive some add-ons. The first item is a small stamp set with the large word sorry, and you can add I'm so very sorry or sorry it's late. There are quite a few peel-off bundles this month. I'll start with the 2 sets that coordinate with the Making Memories kit. The set on the left is all pinstripe. The colors are gold moondust, rose gold, racing green mirror, and mauve with gold overlay. The set on the right is the variety bundle. It includes black with gold overlay mini hearts, Atlantic blue with gold overlay in pinstripe, gold mirror in straight, and mink with gold overlay mini circles. There are 2 new bundle packs that feature just the butterfly border peel-offs. The set on the left is all mirror, and these are just beautiful. If you haven't seen the butterfly border peel-offs before, when you peel it up, you can use the little outline of the butterfly border, and then you also have the inside piece of the butterfly. The set on the left has purple mirror, mauve mirror, teal mirror, and gold mirror. And the set on the right is all the essentials, gold, silver, white, and black. Lizi's also released 4 new essential peel-off bundle packs. We have all the blacks, all the whites, all the silvers, and also all the golds. Each of the bundle packs include 10 sheets of peel-offs. So we have sway, star border, there's mini stars, mini hearts, we have the heart borders, mini circles, the butterfly border, mini twinkle, love this style. Then we have straight and also the very popular pinstripe. And all 4 of the colors include 10 sheets of peel-offs, 1 in each style. By purchasing these, you do save. It's less than buying all of the sheets individually. There are several specialty cardstock bundles. The first one is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. These are single-sided. We have the beautiful shimmer design on one side and they're white on the back side. This is always my favorite specialty cardstock bundle. There's a second pearlescent cardstock bundle. These are double-sided, so you'll have the same color on the front and back side. Both of the pearlescent cardstock bundles include 6 sheets. And the colors work beautifully with the pattern paper in the kit. The final specialty cardstock bundle is the A4 glitter bundle. I'm only showing you 3 sheets, but the bundle does include 6. You'll get 2 gold, 2 rose gold, and also 2 black. And this is really nice glitter paper since it doesn't shed. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's December 2023 card kit called Making Memories. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons I showed, I do have links provided in the description box below. And Lizi has lots of other add-ons available that I didn't show you, so be sure to check out the entire December release. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I do have subscription information in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.